Hi, how can you coach yourself and others to more success? This is Philip Montrose, and with my wife Jane, we help people step up and make a difference, really live the life they want. So how can you be more successful? I want to take you on a little journey to a beautiful area on the coast of California, near Carmel, California, Point Lobos Natural Reserve. And in this little mini travelogue, it's about a 4-minute journey, you'll learn 3 powerful lessons from nature on how you can become more successful and help others to be more successful too. So first let's consider the harmony of nature here in Point Lobos Park in Monterey, California, how everything is working together. There's somehow kind of harmony in the colors, the shapes, the textures of all the diversity, the richness of the trees, the air, the sky, the water. Everything works together, has a sense of respect and using each other in a complementary, synergistic way. Next lesson is unity in diversity. All the diversity in unity. A lesson from nature for coaching, where there's so many different things, so many different elements, so many different perspectives, so many things, again, harmonizing, working together, and seeing the big picture and being inclusive, accepting everything. The air, the water, the land, the birds, all the colors and shapes, and all of that's inside of us too, all that energy, that diversity, and when we accept that and recognize it, it unifies us. Unity in diversity. So in addition to harmony and unity, nature offers a tremendous majesty, a power, an awesomeness, because there's so much beauty, there's so much breadth and depth to nature and how it surrounds us and enfolds us, and we're part of nature. Nature is part of us, and it's really glorious to behold how much, as we've said, how much diversity, how much harmony it possesses, is awe-inspiring, is inspirational. And when you're coaching, these elements come into play where you can bring out the greatness that in every person, in yourself and everyone you touch and coach, because you're connecting them with this infinite power and beauty and majesty. So in concluding these 3 lessons from nature to help us for coaching and success coaching for our own success and others, remember the harmony that we're seeing here before us, that's outside and inside, the activity and the rest, the balance, the thinking and doing. And remember the unity and all the diversity we're seeing, the different elements coming together, being born and dying and regenerating. And third, the majesty, the power, the beauty. That's all outside and inside of us. It's amazing, the possibilities that are before us. Enjoy, take advantage of it. Coach yourself to success as well as others.